I didn't like liver before. Now, I make it like this. Start by adding 700 grams of liver sliced into strips in a large bowl. Add 200 milliliters of milk. Mix and let the liver soak for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in another large bowl, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 generous pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Add 3 garlic cloves chopped into cubes, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and mix until incorporated. Now, drain all the milk from the liver. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Transfer the liver to the bowl with the seasoning mix we made. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix until incorporated. Next, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil, the liver, and braise it until slightly golden brown. When that happens, add 1 onion chopped into round slices, half green bell pepper chopped into strips, half yellow bell pepper chopped into strips, half red bell pepper also chopped into strips, 150 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir all the ingredients together very well. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Cover the skillet and let it all cook for 10 minutes. This is the right point. Finish by adding parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.
4.
I didn't like liver, now I only prepare it like this. Here I have a kilo of beef liver cut into strips, like this, and I will add 200 milliliters of whole milk. I will mix well and I will leave it aside here for 15 minutes. Now in a bowl I will add a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 crushed garlic cloves. And I'm going to mix everything very well. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon here too, to make our liver even more delicious. And I'm going to mix it again. This beef liver is delicious. I'm sure even those who don't like liver will love this recipe. Now let's remove all the milk from our liver that was reserved. I'm using a sieve to make it easier. Just shake the sieve like this to remove all the milk and then just add the liver here in our seasoning. We can discard the milk later. Now we are going to mix the liver very well in our seasoning so that the seasoning combines well with the liver. Now just transfer the entire liver into a pan or frying pan, spread it well and let it fry for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt, half a green pepper cut into strips, half a yellow pepper, half a red pepper, a small onion cut into slices. I will
Minjiru baenu kibsae enumatu kenna ballesa akanu nyajjene nunyate erkun sabae sasigesa
Just serve and enjoy. I love liver. If you like it too, leave it here below. I love liver.
Alaka hembeto mabadani namoromoku mejumlani alaka yodemne barafsena gadda guddan chabelabden kenna atoromo barabaram botti binensatu fitel mosheti